Hello students, let's we learn from our main course book, subject ES, chapter number 12, work we do. So, many facilities are prepared in our city or village for people. All people use them in collectively, therefore they are known as public properties. And public places like the Gram Panchayat, the Nagar Palika, the post office, the bank, the primary health center, the hospitals, the police stations and the courts, etc. provide various facilities to people. And many professional people live in our society and in our villages or city. These peoples are useful to us in various ways, such as doctor, conductor, teacher, policeman, soldiers, etc. are our principal helpers, and apart from them, mechanics, sweepers, businessmen, porters, cobblers, carpenters are connected with our daily lives, and the work area of all these peoples are separate, and we get an education and training of living together from our families, and the principal lessons, these togetherness lessons of how to live in a group are we learn from our families, and by learn this can be seen in school when children go to school. Due to togetherness, they learn the help with the help of families, they learn and they mix with children easily with other in school. Now open your page number 68, page number 80. Now in this picture, like other days, Ramesh was doing mason works. He reached the tea stalls after his breakfast. His brother Rajesh, who had come from the village, are also with him, and the worker at the tea stall gave him a cup of tea and said, "Here is today's newspaper." Then after Rajesh said, "How will you spend your whole day sitting here?" Rajesh is Ramesh's brother. "And don't you get bored?" asked Rajesh. Rajesh asked, how will you spend your whole day if you bored now?" Then after Ramesh said, "No, I will do my work and look around how many are doing different work," said Ramesh. Then after, one does not realize how the time flies. Look at that groups of children. As usual, they are late for schools. Everyone is running. The children are late for schools and everyone is running. The teacher is also late today. That the teacher of schools also late today, and oh, it seems her sandal has broken. The teacher's sandal broken, and she is going to Jaggu Bhai to get it repairs. It is good for him. It is good for him. For what? For Jaggu. He will get some money early in the morning. In that picture, Champa is sitting there with her basket full of flower. There is Champa sitting with full of flower baskets, and the lady working in the post office buys flowers from her every day. And the construction work has started again. There is also construction work which has started again, and the truck is bringing materials. The worker will again be busy for the whole day. All the workers will be busy. And look there, the doctor and the nurse are entering the hospital today? See, Raiji with his fruit carts. These days he also bring Mamta with him, and the Mamta run around. Mamta is Raiji's daughter, and he delivers fruits and collects money. And Nanu, the Nanu's barber had laid out his shops, but whom will he save? And right in the middle of the crossing, standing Iqbal Singh. Throughout the day, he blows his whistle and keeps shouting, "Move your vehicles from here. Hey, you not hear me? Take the cart away." Saying this, Rajesh put down his empty cups and walked to a nearby shops. Now, how do that all people look carefully at the picture and write what work is being done by different peoples. In that picture, different peoples are doing different work. Now in that picture, a woman is cleaning in front of the post office. A woman holding a bag is going towards the post office, and another one, the mason and his helpers are constructing the buildings. And the next one, the traffic police is doing his duty at the crossroad. Next one, Nanu, the barber, has opened his shop and is ready to save people. And the two peoples are having tea at the tea stall. The traffic police is standing in the middle of the road and directing traffic. And another one, the cobbler, is sitting on the footpath with tools for repairing, stitching footwears. And a woman is sitting near the tea stalls to sell flowers. Two children are entering the school, and the other children are late for school, so they are running towards it. The driver is taking his car towards the crossroad, and a woman is going with a camel cart that is fully loaded. And the Raiji and his daughter Mamta have a hand cart loaded with watermelons, and they are passing in front of the school. And the one man is ferrying luggage in a truck. And then another one, a shopkeeper is waiting for customers. A doctor and a nurse are going towards the hospitals. Now here, next one, what work is done in the school? In school, children are given through education. Teachers teach children. All children pray in the morning. Children are made to do various activities such as studying, drawing picture, playing, dancing, singing, and making various teaching, learning our materials. And children are taught skill enhancing activities. Children are a school molds every children in such a way that he or she becomes a good citizen of the country. Here, next one, are there any children in the picture who are not going to school? What are they doing? Are there any children who are not going in the schools in that pictures? Yes, in the picture there is one boy at the tea stalls who is serving tea to people. Some children are playing under the tree. Some children or one girl is going with her father to sell watermelons, and all the children are not going to school. Then a boy, some children and the girl are not going to school. Now open your page number 85. There Deepali is also one such girl who does not go to school. Let's read about her. And Deepali is the eldest child in her family. Her family sells vegetables, and he leaves for the mandi very early in the morning. Her mother washes utensils in some houses. She also leaves for work in the morning. Deepali cooks food for her brother and sister. She cleans the house and also washes the utensils. She is very fond of listening to the radio. She listens to songs while she works. After finishing the work at home, she goes to drop her brother with their father, and she then takes her younger sister Suman and Saila to school. After that, Deepali helps her mother in her works. In the afternoon, she brings her brother and sisters back home. In the evening, she plays with other children in the neighborhoods. Her mother comes back and home late in the evenings. Deepali helps her mother cook dinner for the family. Her father comes home very late at night. At night, Deepali loves to lie in bed and read her sister school books, and she had studied up to class 3. 3 years back, when her little brother was born, she had to stay back home to take care of him. She could not study anymore. She feels that reading books helps her to know the things. Now she is back to school and goes regularly. Now, here one question. What work does Deepali do in her own house? वो अपने घर पे क्या क्या काम करती थी? Now Deepali does these works. First, preparing food for her younger brothers and sisters, cleaning the house and washing the utensils. After finishing the work, going to leave her brother with their father, taking her younger sisters Suman and Saila to school, and helping her mother to cook the evening meals. Now the next one. Do you also do household work? If yes, what? You also do some household works. What are they? Yes, I do some household work, that is cleaning the house, arranging things in the proper places, helping mothers to fill water, arranging the sofa, wiping the washed utensils, and making my bed. Here next one. Beside household work, do you do any other works at home? If yes, then what? Beside household works, what will you do? I do some other works beside household works, like bringing necessary things from shops, bringing vegetables from the groceries, and taking my grandfathers to the temple, bringing milks, curds, etc., and watering the plants. Now, next one. Which of your family members do household works? What work do they do? In your family member, what household work do? My mother works like preparing food, keeping the house clean, taking care of the smooth running of the house and my sister helping mother in all the household work. Elder brother bringing necessary things from the market and my father taking care of the social and bank related financial work of the house. Here next one. From your grandparents, what work they did when they were children? When they were children, your grandparents are children. What works they done? And when I asked my grandparents about the work they did when they were children, they told me that some of these things, when my grandfather was young, he would go to the fields to help his father in farming work. He would take their domestic animals to graze in the meadows and would even collect wood for burnings. And when my grandmother was young, she would help her mother in the household, like washing utensils and some more. Moreover, she would help in the cleaning of the houses and also to bring fodder for the domestic animals. Now, here next one. What will you do for the children who leave school due to reason like helping their parents so that they come to school? Children who leave school due to reason like helping their parents or taking on family responsibility, I will do some of things. First, I meet their parents and argue them to send the child in school. Try to arrange for the older child who says stay home and to look after his or her younger brother or sister to come to school with the younger child. Or I will ask the child's neighbors to help solve the situation. Otherwise, explain how the importance education to his or her parents, or will allow the children to come to school at his or her convenient times and will respect to allow the children to go home a little early if he or she wants to. This is how I will try to make these children so that they come to school.